Hi guys, welcome again to today's video. Another episode of this making your flyer design quite amazing. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to use Snapseed to create amazing effects in your design and make it look appealing and much more attractive. So for example, now we have this design. Let me choose one of my designs. So for example, let's choose this. So for example, now you can see that this design looks quite bland, and it's just as if I just put the image, the text and everything, I just put it there. Alright, so we're going to use Snapseed to make this design much more beautiful and even much more attractive. Alright, I hope you believe that's possible. So let's get right into it. So open your Snapseed. You can download your Snapseed from Google Play. You can download Snapseed from Google Play. Alright. There's a Snapseed here, right here. We click on it and then we're gonna import a new file. So for example, this is how it looks like. We've just imported it. So for example, now if you notice down here, this is where you have last edits, portrait, smooth, pop, accentuate, faded, glow, morning, bright, fine art. I don't use all these fine art, all these black and white. I don't really use them. Neither do I use bright. I hardly use morning. I hardly use faded glow. But you see this portrait, smooth, pop, accentuate, and faded, and accentuate. These four, they are the ones I use most. This last edit just means that there's an edit I've done before on a particular design that that is suggesting I can use again. So if I click on it, you're going to see the effects of the earlier editing that I did on the design. It's taking its time. Let's give it some time. So can you see it has made it look much more attractive, but we want something more. So let's check our options. Check portrait. Don't forget, don't click on this mark or this cancel sign yet until you get what you want before you click on the mark sign. If you press cancel, it's going to cancel whatever operations you are doing currently. So you can press smooth. Look at the different ways it's coming out with those different edits and styles. So you can use pop. So you can just check through all of these things and check through which one you really want to use and which one resonates with whatever design you're trying to use. Smooth is going to smoothen, especially the image. So that's pop. Pop is going to bring out everything, make your design quite legible, very very legible. So if you're looking for a very very legible design, go for pop. If you are looking for a smooth design, go for smooth. If you're looking for a design that is very very keen and clear, go for portrait. That a trait gives it a variety of color and increases saturation. Let's check morning. Morning is really good. It's going to add a base of bright light to it, and this is not what we want. So we click on cancel and then we can now go and do our own personal edits. So I can increase the structure. Alright, can see the difference. Can you see the difference? Make it look sharper. Alright, make it look sharpening. That was because I clicked on details. Okay, so now I can go to green film and can see what green film has done to the background, because all of these green films come with their own effect. So this is under one, this is under one, this is under one, this is under one, this is under one. This is crazy. There's so many effects that you can use for this design. Alright. So if you do not see the one you want, you can just click on maybe something close. Alright, something close like this one. and then style strength, then you can reduce the style strength and then increase the grain. Alright, or you can reduce it. So this, you have several options under graining themes. Can you see that you have several options and you can adjust it? You can work on the details, you can tune the image, you can increase the brightness, contrast, saturation, ambience, highlights, shadows. I'm not going to be using any of this because it's not necessary. So what your brightness does, so once you put it on brightness, just slide it because you would have seen it up here. Alright, it's up here. So you can increase the brightness or reduce the brightness. Alright, so but we're not going to be needing that. So I'm just going to put it back 0, and then your contrast, that's what you can see what your contrast does. If you want it to be smooth, you can put it this way. If you want it to be quite sharp, you can do it that way. And then we also have saturation. Of course, you know what saturation does. If you're a designer, you know what saturation does. Ambience give you more lightning. Alright, can you see? Increase the brightness on one side to make it look balanced. So your highlights increases the lights, and then your shadows increases. Can you see? The more if you take it backwards, shadow will be more. Take it forward, shadow will be lesser. Alright, then highlights can increase it because we don't want too much highlights. Then your want, they're going to give you the general want that you want your design on. And if you don't, you can make it cool. Alright, so let's just leave it at 30. So this is the design. So this is the design. Then if you want to export it, you can click on export here and export it to create a copy, and you can export it. So it's working on it, and then let me show you the final work. And this is what we have from this to this. Look at how funny this man's face look like and how clean the design looks like. But yeah, it gives it a sense of depth and it makes it much more attractive, even for a very, very simple design as this. Alright, and of course you can go back to increase the sharpness if you feel that some of the text are blurred out and all. So I hope this really helped you. Have a nice time. Don't forget to subscribe and to like for much more important info to making your designs much more perfect and attractive. Take care.